Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho Bigin Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now select the domain of your Zoho account. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now copy the redirect URI from here. Click user icon button present at top of the page to generate client ID and secret. It will open the Zoho login page. Login with your account. If this is your first app, then click Get Started button, otherwise you will see the Add Client. So click that, select Server-Based Applications in Client Type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now click Keys button to generate tokens. Select the Zoho Bigin organizations which will be used to sync the data and click Submit. Now, click Accept. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which OpenCart orders will sync to Zoho Bigin. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of OpenCart orders that will be synced to Zoho Bigin. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Click the Zoho Bigin menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to Zoho Bigin. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Zoho Bigin also. See customers are present in Zoho Bigin. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Zoho Bigin. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.